Hello everyone and welcome back to the Skin Functional YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something a little different but still related to skincare. I am very excited to talk to you today about our newest addition to our range, makeup primers. So, what is a primer and why do you need it? A primer is a real-life filter for your face. It is a makeup product you apply after your skincare and before your foundation. This is to create a smooth, even surface. It is a product designed to prep your skin and create a really smooth finish for your makeup to glide on. Here's an analogy that I think would be super helpful for you to better understand this product type. Think of the process when painting a wall. You wouldn't paint directly on a dirty or rough wall. You prime it first to get the best results. Just like how wall primer helps paint stick better and last longer, makeup primer does the same. It prepares your skin by smoothing it out, minimizing the appearance of pores, and helping the makeup stay in place throughout the day. Without it, your foundation might not look as smooth or even last as long as you would like it to. So how do you apply it? It is really simple. What you want to do is cleanse your face, apply your skincare products. Then you are going to apply your sunscreen. You are going to give that about 2 minutes to absorb. Then you take a pea-sized amount of your primer and apply it to your face, focusing on areas where you have really large pores or where you have texture. Then you are going to want to let it sit on your skin for a moment or two, and then you can go in and apply your foundation products on top of it. Let's talk about the different types of primers that Skin Functional has to offer. We have our Illumination Glow Primer, perfect if you have a dull, dehydrated, or tired-looking skin. Formulated with skincare-loving ingredients such as sodium hyaluronate for hydration, barrier repair, and elasticity. Humectants to lock in moisture, and sweet orange fruit extract to energize skin cells. Next up, we have our Velvet Corrector Primer. If you are looking for a silky texture and instant softness, this one is for you. Formulated with key ingredients such as aloe vera, silicone elastomer, and texturizing spheric powder for smooth, blendable texture. Our Perfection Primer. This is a multitasker for skin needing hydration and calming in one step. Expertly formulated with Cucumis sativus, which is from cucumber, this is a fruit extract that provides soothing, anti-inflammatory, and rich in antioxidants. This is great for red, reactive skin types. Also wonderful if you want a primer that's breathable and fresh. Next up on our list is my absolute favorite, Hydro Splash. This is a hydration powerhouse. Think plump, dewy, resilient skin. Key ingredients include niacinamide, polyglutamic acid, and trimethylglycine. Perfect for all-day moisture, especially under long-wear makeup. Last but not least, we have our Sunkissed SPF 50, a hybrid between skincare, primer, and SPF. This primer can be used in place of a sunscreen, with or without makeup. Perfect for simplifying your routine into one protective step. So now, why do you need it? If you have large pores, fine lines, or uneven skin texture, primer fills them in, kind of like speckling between you paint a wall, so your foundation glides on flawlessly. Number 2, improves makeup longevity. Primers help your makeup stick better and stay on longer, especially if you're dealing with oily skin, humidity, or long days. Number 3, controls oils or add hydration. Different primers serve different purposes. Some primers control shine and mattify, while others add a boost of moisture or even color correct redness. Number 4, minimizes caking and creasing. By creating a barrier between your skin and your makeup, primers reduce the chance of your foundation separating, creasing, or even looking patchy throughout the day. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. Drop us a comment below and let us know which primer you want to try first. Until next time, bye for now.